My name is Silvia Alejandra Rodriguez Bonilla. I am 26 years old. I was born in Sopó. Now I am a student of the Business Administration program at the UNAC. I am technical and I work at the company of Service Publics of Sopó. I like to sing, dance, watch movies, study and share with my son. I live with my son and my mother. I am single and have one child. The main part of Sopó is very beautiful because it has trees and nature. In it we find the Cacique Sopó, and in the center of the fontaine, the monkey of the pie. Come visit our municipality and get to know this beautiful place.